What is going on? It's your man YME back with another ExxonMobil stock review. Let's get right into the charts. If you're looking at the 30-minute chart, you can see not too much action since we had earnings on October the 27th, which was last Friday. Not too much action this week. We've hit a low about 104.44, and we're looking for some support there. We're looking to take a liquidity zone back up to the 107, 107.83 area. So if possible, we can see that with a new candle forming this month, or we may see some newer lows. But right now, we've already broken through that double bottom area that I spoke about. And you can see that double bottom area that formed on the daily chart. So if you're basically aware of the videos that I've been putting out, maybe for the last 2 weeks or so, you can see that I've been speaking about this double bottom. So we reached a buy side liquidity zone here at the top, 112.61, where I thought that may be a level we can bounce from, but instead we rejected from that area and it took us back down to where we are now. 104.44 was the lowest that I've seen, approximately, give or take a few pennies, and now we're looking to possibly open maybe in the 106 area. In the pre-market, which we are now, the stock is at 106.02, so we can most likely open above 106 and stay above 106 in the new month. Unfortunately, Exxon did not hit earnings and missed earnings, so that's an area of interest for maybe some bullish investors, as well as the stock being devalued, the stock acquisition Pioneer being devalued, or the price target being lower. So that could have also created some bearish sentiment, which caused the stock to sell off significantly. However, from the bigger sell-off, which was our high, 112.61 was the the retracement level somewhere in the 50% range, and then we rejected again. So if possible, and if the stock is trending in that fashion, 107.83 could be the next area where we reject from, and then come back to see lows even below $100. So we'll see how it looks for the end of the year. According to ExxonMobil, we are going into another period of time where people do travel. So the estimate for the next earnings is not until February. So we do have another quarter for that. So not even anything to look at. So they just passed out the earnings that just passed on October the 27th. Not much to look at from here right now. We've completed this formation, and as well as completing this larger formation, we're completing a smaller, broadening formation, and then we can make another one as well. So we have to actually see a high first, and then we actually have to see another low, or low even lower than this double bottom, which is also now becoming another possible double bottom area as well. So this is actually the third bottom, which could be even considered a triple bottom, for all you guys out there who are more familiar and versed in the lingo. Let me know what you think. But this is a 3-1-2, and twos generally in a down trend obviously go down or go down further. We've exceeded the double bottom area here, where we had this 2 up continuation to fall right back into the 2 down. But then it took us back into another bull run for a few days, and then that's where we rejected from. So at this point, what I'm looking to see is the stock forming a nice liquidity zone on the sell side that will allow some buyers to step in, and then all the sellers will have taken their liquidity at this point from this high, or even possibly from this high. So some people rode it out and rode it out again, but then now they're here, and if they bought enough time, they're looking a lot better on their investments than maybe getting out here out of fear or thinking that it would come back all the way to the level. So what we're looking at right now is just some flattening, just some chop, liquidity building, whichever you want to call it. Not too much action on the ExxonMobil front, but we will be here checking in periodically to give you some good stock information, hopefully some good levels. If you take a look at my levels, I have 106.02 I have 107.09, 107.83, and I have that top of the level 109.15. Based on the charts here, and based on that 3 candle that we lost, that took us back into the 106 area, that's pretty much like a $3-4 candle. This particular candle is what I'm looking to retrace, or to buy back up, so to take us back up into this level. And if it doesn't, then look for another rejection somewhere here, 107.09, or here, 107.83. So we'll see how this plays out. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. Who's ever watching, leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if you agree. Let me know if you disagree. And hopefully the trades that you make are solid. Make sure you put your stop losses on and protect your trades. And that's pretty much it for today. We're going pretty flat. Today is Wednesday, so we'll see what the middle of the week brings for the stock, which has been flat all week since earnings. Since we've seen highs last month, and then now we're seeing just a regular correction, a normal corrected level. So thanks for joining. It's why me. Peace.